Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we will be sharing a very important information of KCET option entry procedure 2024. Yes, you heard it right. So this is a most important video and it's a most demanded video also, I can say. So many people were commenting in the comment box like how to do the option entry. So it's obviously like everyone will be new to this, like those who are yet to do the option entry. So this is a very important procedure. So for this only you have done your 12th and you have wrote your KCET exam and you have got ranking. So for this step, if you do the well option entry, you will get a very good college. And in this step, if you do any wrong option entry, that you will get into a very bad college which will ruin your future also. So in this tough time, to get a good college, it is very important. Why people want a good college? Because they want placements. So this option entry plays a very important role. So I have seen many people will do this mistake on option entry. In my time, like my friends also did this mistake and they got some bad colleges with good rank also. So this is a most important thing to do the well option entry. So here this option entry procedure will decide your future. So guys, watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important information regarding this option entry procedure. I know this video might go a bit lengthy, but I will challenge you, every minute will be worth of watching it, because not only just I have shown the option entry how you can do, I have wrote some points also so that you will get a idea like how to do the option entry. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel, and as I told, watch each and every step by step. I will be explaining from start to end. So after watching this video, you will get a clear picture how to do the option entry. So let us start our video. So before starting the video, I want to clarify some points, guys. So make sure before sitting to the option entry, you have a plan, like which colleges you want to select first, then last, like that. And make a college list also. So don't sit blindly. So make a college list based on the ranking, based on the last year cutoff, last 2 years cutoff, and based on the college placements also. Don't sit just blindly like I will do the option entry and I will select colleges by seeing the list and all. Like, no, don't do that mistake. So before, have a plan. So that's why I am uploading this video before the option entry, so that you will have an idea like which and all colleges you will be selecting for the option entry. So I think you are clear now. And one more thing, like thank you so much for contacting for our KCET counseling help. I know many people have registered for this counseling help. We haven't respond some people, so we are responding one by one. So we will definitely contact you within 1 or 2 days. And guys, I want to tell one more thing, like many people are just filling the Google form for namesake. So don't do that. It is waste of your time also, and it is waste of our time also. So those who are very serious, they only should fill the Google form. So it is a paid counseling help. So as you know, it is a 200 rupees. So many people have already filled, and for many people we have already shared the important information what they need based on their ranking. So I request not to fill the Google form. Simply those who are very serious, they should only fill the Google form. Guys, this 200 rupees is not a very big thing here. So the main thing is to get a good college. That's why we are helping. So many people were asked like, why are you not helping for free counseling help like that? You know, if I select for free counseling help, thousands of registration will come. So we can't help these thousands of people. So that's why those who are very serious candidates, for them only we are helping, and we will end only for 100 student, guys. So as of now, we have already completed 70% of students. So only 30% of students are pending. So link will be provided in the description. You can watch, you can fill the Google form. So guys, make sure if you are very serious and if you are ready to pay, then only fill this Google form, or otherwise please don't fill the Google form. I am not telling that fill this Google form only and take our help only. No, you can take any other experts help also. Any person who is senior to you and who has done this option entry. Just I want people to not to do the mistakes. That's why we are helping some students. That is the only motto, not to earn money. So if I take some 200 rupees, we are also putting some efforts. So that's why we are taking this 200 money, and we want some serious students. So that's why we are taking this 200 charge. So guys, make sure you have a list before sitting to the option entry, and you take some experts guidance and then sit to the option entry. I hope all you are clear now. So the Google form link will be provided in the description. You can fill that Google form. We will contact you through call. If it will take some time, 1 or 2 days it will take, guys. You all know that we started from past 1 week, and we have many students pending. So one by one we will complete all the students. So this is what I want to tell you guys. So thanks you once again those who have registered for our paid counseling help. So KCET option entry procedure. So I know many people still waiting for verification slip. So after verification slip, this is the procedure. So first step is option entry. So if you do well option entry, you will get a good college. So in this video I will be telling you step by step from start to end how the option entry website will be there, like that. So don't worry, for online students verification slip will come as soon as possible, most probably this week only. So I think all your doubts are clear now. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. So KCET option entry procedure, step by step demo. So the first step is entering the CET number and security code captcha as displayed and click submit. So watch this video in some high quality to get a good experience. So as you can see, if you click on that option entry link, still that option entry link is didn't came. So it is just a video to give an idea how option entry will happen. So admission for CET number, so you have to enter your CET number and your and the captcha what it's showing, and you need to click on submit. So the first step is to enter the CET number and the security code. So how to log in for the first time? So after entering this thing, the page will look like this. So you have to enter some details like your CET number, application number, secret key code, and new password. The password is very important. Remember the password, because every time they will ask for a password. So when you log in for first time, it will show like that. After setting each and everything, another one more page it will come. I will show you that. Then secret key code, then that secret key code what you will get from a verification slip, and the email ID and secret question. So you have to select in drop down in any one question, and after that you have to give the answer for that, and you need to click on submit. So as I told in the step, enter application number which is printed on the application form, and enter secret unique key provided after completion of verification of documents. So for online people, they will get a verification slip. Enter new password, should consist of at least one alphabet and one number, and should be at least 8 characters. Confirm new password, and first you have to enter the password and then you have to confirm. And enter your mobile number, should be valid mobile number, because you will get some notifications on that, and which is sent by KEA. So it is very important that you enter the correct number carefully, just as you have done in the application form that you filled in the verification center. Then enter your email ID, and it should be a valid email ID, because you will get mails from KEA also. Select secret hit question from the list and click login button. You will enter your home page on the option entry website. Check your details appearing on the page. You will see your name, CET rank, your rank course wise, whether you are eligible to the supplementary quota, etc. So once if you try to log in for first time, this details and all will ask. So how to log in next time? So after entering secret key question and all, the next step is like, again if you by mistakenly again you missed and again try to log in, means you will get like this. The first part is the same, where you have to enter the CET number and the security code, and then password. So what password you have set, right, that password you need to enter, and then you need to log in. So that is why some before they will ask you to set password, that secret key question. So if you have forgot password, like you can click on forgot password and you can log in. So I think the third step is clear now. First step is you need to enter your CET number and captcha, and second step is you need to set the password and secret key question, and then again if you try to log in again and again, it won't ask to set password and all. Just you need to enter your secret key code, CET number and password, and log in. So the step 4 is click on candidate option entry. So if you click on login, you will get into this page. So as you can see, there is a option entry, allotment, account settings. So allotment, what college you will get, that will display in that middle page, middle box. So you can click on candidates option entry and option entry example also. So option entry example, so if you want you can check that. So I will tell you like how to do the option entry in next slides only, so you will get a clarity. If you still want to check how to do the option entry, you can click on that option entry example. So guys, this is a very important thing. Before sitting to option entry, you should have a clear picture, like which college you want to select, which college are you planning. So before sitting for option entry, make sure you prepare a list. So that is very important, and the list is not like how you want. Based on the placements and based on the ranking, you need to create a list. Okay, then if you click on candidates option entry, so you will land it to this page. So there is a two option, course or college. So which course you want to select? And I know many people want computer science engineering only. So if you select computer science engineering, so computer science engineering all related course it will come. No, I want based on college. So you can go to second radio button on college, and if you select RV College of Engineering, so RV College of Engineering all course related course will be displaying here. So I think you got a idea like which to select, like course or college. So example, this candidate is of Mysore candidate, and he want SJSE Mysore as a first priority. So he has selected SJSE E021 CS, so computer science, and SJSE E28 CS. So make sure guys, for many college there will be aided and unaided seat also. So first you have to opt for aided and then unaided. First aided fees will be 15,000 and unaided fees will be 63,000. So make sure you select the correct option entry, correct college list which you want to select first, which you want to select second. So first is SJC, then NI, and then again SJC. So first he has selected all the CS, and then he came to information science engineering, and then with Vidyavartaka college, third college. So you have to be very careful based on your ranking and which college you are selecting. So that's why we are helping to the people by paid counseling help, like which college to select first, which college should be in the order. So we are guiding that, that's all. We are not telling that to get a help from us only. You can go other websites also, or other people help, ask experienced people, then only you will get a clarity. But just blindly if you enter means it will be a waste of your time, and it will be, you will land into a very bad college. So ask for experienced people, not only for us. I think you all got idea. So here in the second option, modify selected option, you can see 1 2 3 4 like that, it everything it will come. So which order you have selected, like that. So this is how you will enter college. So still if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. So make sure you write you select the correct college. So just I want to give you an example here. If your ranking is around 3000, so you might get a RV College of Engineering, but by mistakenly what you will do, you won't select RV College of Engineering as your first priority. You might select some other college like other college like Vishweshwara Technology University or Dayananda Sagar and all. If you select first as that priority, so CET will allot you that first seat only. They won't go and check that, oh, RV also he can get, like that. No, they will check from first top priority to medium to low, like that. They will see first, then fifth, sixth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that they will see. So if you do any mistake, like if you select any bad college as your first option, means you will get that college only. So make sure you prepare your colleges list properly based on the ranking, based on the cutoff, like that. I think all your doubts are clear now. So entering the option, so you can read this points what and all I have given you. You will get a clarity how he has entered the option. So modifying order of option. So if you want to modify by mistakenly, if you have you have selected some wrong college, so you want that college should be down, so just you can change the number. So that's why go to modify selected option. So as you can see in the screen, then change the number or type a new number. So for fifth is example MS Ramaya Institute is there, but you want to keep that to second priority, so you can change that 5 to 2 and that second to fifth, then it will interchange. I think you got a clarity. And if you click on update button, it will update. So the sixth option is modify if you want to modify. And the seventh option is if you, oh no, I don't want this college what I have entered. So just if you enter 0, like in the second column, that modify selected option, if you select 0, then that order college list will get delete. Then click update button. Every time you need to update, then only it will delete. So by seeing that points, you will get an idea how to delete like that. And then what and all colleges you have selected, that you can take a list wise, like go to selected option view, and that selected option will be the third box. So third box bottom, you can see that selected option view, and cross verify the courses before submitting. Just guys, you need to click on save and submit, then it will automatically update. No need to, like after submitting, that page will be on that page itself, it won't interchange. So don't worry that whether it got submitted or not. If you click once on save and submit, it's enough. So just to cross verify, you again close all the windows and again try to log in. You can see what and all colleges you have entered. So you can click the whatever like what and all option list you have selected. So the option list will be look like this. I think all your doubts are clear now. Still, if I have any doubt, you ask in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. So as I told earlier, so every minute will be worth of watching. So guys, I hope all your doubts are clear now. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt and try to share this video as much as possible, so that everyone can get to know this option entry, because this option entry is a very important procedure as I told earlier. So I hope you are all are cleared now. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share and stay tuned.